All ready to go on with the oil pump. Got my shim installed. So after checking, the only spot it gets anywhere close is right here with the spark plug boss. So we have about 80 thousandths, 84 thousandths clearance there. And I've already checked all of these, all 8 of them on both heads. We only got a few thousandths variation, so more than enough clearance to suck that up. Our quench with the piston rocked at its tightest point, the quench will work out to about 34 thousandths. So looking good so far. Forgot to grab a video with it all rigged up, but we've got a 116 intake center line with a 79-degree intake valve closes after bottom dead center. So got the cam all degreed in. Love these adjustable Summit timing sets. Makes this a breeze.
If you want fast stuff, you got to go to Matt Kaiser. You know, the Pacific Northwest #1 leading performance shop.
Did you just say leading performance?
No, but that would describe him a little bit better. Got the thick boys. When in doubt, LS9 head gasket.
Germany.
Das Auto, ja?
schmoo on it.
No schmoo.
No debris.
One step closer.
Also, Germany.
That's funny.
7 layers. One of the most stressful things. You want to don't want any issues because you don't want to fucking pull the head back off because the gasket didn't seal up.
Seriously.
Only genuine gaskets. They're going to take their kinetics and fucking whatever and show them what the fuck's ass.
What? No way. Look at that. The head gaskets are gasketing. The timing chain is timing chaining. Damn, them things are thick as hell.
Oh yeah. Man, fucking barely bigger than the fucking board too.
Well, that's good though. You don't want none of the detonation event to take place out here in between the cylinder head and the block mating surface. You want it to be inside the combustion chamber, so clearance is clearance, Clarence.
It's this fucking close. Just want to double fucking check.
Oh, for sure. For surely sure.
Because there's always core shifts, so these fucking holes are never where they're supposed to be in the block center.
Genuine Chevrolet 6.2 liter aluminum LS block. Yes, sir.
Brand new too. Never been ran.
Is this a brand new block?
Yeah, it's a brand new block.
Shit. Not bad. Fresh Johnny. With some fresh Johnnies. That is one thing here, is the extra steps reassure yo shit don't blow up.
I mean, it's fucking close, dude. I mean, 4100 is as big as factory gasket goes unless you're doing an LS7 gasket. But
This is 4080.
4100 door.
The bore on.
The block's a 4075.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because we didn't just take the fresh GM block and just put it together with stock board. We had to pour it over.
Well, yeah. Can't leave anything alone. Why would we put stuff together with stock dimensions when we can add all this fun stuff? Totally ruin the capabilities of running pump gas, but way more miles per gallon. And that's really all you're looking for when you're building a hot rod. Nobody cares about fuel economy. You just go right to the bottom of the page, order yourself the bottom of the page camshaft, some bottom of the page springs, some ARP hardware. Next thing you know, build a race motor. Pretty much how I did that one. There might have been a few Coors Lights involved in that though. Throw a couple bolts in to make sure your cylinder head does not fall down and break your fucking toes. Always a good idea.
What did I just see?
Oh.
Piece of paper towel.
No.
Just
That's
a little-
better than the alternative.
Just a little fuzzy.
Well, brush motors don't really like the fuzzies. And to all those people out there that say you shouldn't put those head bolts in like that, we really don't give a shit what you think.
Really like that for years.
Funny, I watched a video the other day. There's a guy on YouTube that was putting a junkyard 5.3 together, new gaskets, head studs, and he just literally went around the whole fucking cylinder head one by one and cranked each fucking head stud down, and I was like, you know, there's a pattern to that.
Actually, I'm using the LT tightening pattern. GM updated.
Why is that?
I don't know. It used to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, the LT they updated it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You gotta on this first fucking torque you do on these too. You gotta you'll be surprised if you walk around the head after you get them all tight. You have to go and retorque all of them as it sucks the layers of the head gasket down.
And that is why you are the friendly neighborhood LS engine builder.
So you'll see these are torque now, but when I get to the end and go back to the center, they'll re-torque.
You know, if this guy was a real man, he'd be putting one of them ancient fuel making happeners on it.
Then it definitely wouldn't run on pump gas.
What?
The timing's so fucking soggy, it wouldn't even run.
Fun fact, people, carburetors actually cool the intake charge temperature because when the fuel atomizes with the air, it actually creates like, it's almost like your refrigerator. It'll actually condensate the outside of the pipe. That's why you see all these big 2,000 horsepower turbo big blocks with carburetors and no intercooler. So what I'm actually hearing, John, is the only way to get this to run on pump gas would be to put one of those ancient fuel making happeners on it, because they're so much more efficient than fuel injection, right?
No, you're just messing with the cam time and make it a dog down low, and hopefully it'll scream up top.
Yeah, I'm just playing with you. This thing's set up quite specifically for what we're trying to do with it.
That thing's just high compression all around, even with the cam it's got, it's still high compression.
Yeah. That is probably one of the highest compression 5.3 style engines that you're ever going to see.
I mean, it doesn't help when 3 machine shops touch the deck surface, and next thing you know, you got 22 thousandths of protrusion.
Yeah, shout out Parkland Machine in Parkland, Washington. Don't let them ever touch your engines, ever. You end up taking it back to a reputable machine shop to get their fuck up fixed. That is some of the reason that the old girl is 13-to-1 compression. It happened like on purpose and on accident. We're just running with it because fuck it, why not? We're already there. Oh shit, busting out the big Johnny.
Yeah, just butt in. Trustworthy torque wrench.
Yeah,
I
something.
have the snap-on faggots right now. Oh, it's not snap-on, it sucks.
Yeah, fuck Snap-on. You know, maybe if Snap-on had a reputable tool truck guy out here that wasn't a freaking idiot, we'd have some Snap-on tools, but we don't, because we don't. Shout out Kevin, the Matco guy. That is the one nice thing about naturally aspirated shit, is you don't gotta put head studs in it. Save you a couple bucks. Oh, way easier. And just like Kenny said, I mean, they make 650 horsepower with them.
Same bolts, the 99 4.8 is in the fucking LS9. Well, same style.
Yeah.
Because the later blocks, they went to the all equal length bolts.
Right. The early ones got the different.
Long dick ones.
Mm-hmm. Might be my least favorite part about putting a motor together is these damn torque and then angle head bolts and head studs that you got nowadays. I just feel like I'm always gonna break the head of the bolt right off.
I mean, it just feels like it's stripping the entire time.
Yeah, it's not like a good feeling.
Uh-oh, it's gonna come apart. That was 91 degrees.
Oh no! There's an internet warrior out there somewhere that probably thinks that head bolt's gonna break. Well, let me let you in on some info anyway, buddy. They're torqued tighter than they're supposed to be in the first place. If anybody's got any comments on how we're putting this motor together, make sure to link your video of your 13.5-to-1 compression LS in the comments, and we'll compare builds.
I'm sure someone will comment, oh, you didn't really 13-to-1, 13.5-to-1. I got the math to prove it. The heads are CC'd, the pistons are CC'd, deck protrusions measured. The maths.
Yeah, the maths. So, once you guys get your 13.25-to-1 or 13.5-to-1, or really anything over 11-to-1 LS together, then feel free to comment. But your 1999 4.8 with factory head bolts in it and a Chinese turbo, I really don't care what your thoughts are.
Or the LQ4 with way too much camshaft.
Yeah, literally. The stock 8.9-to-1 compression 6-liter with a stage 4 BTR cam. We don't need any comments from those guys. Been there, done that. We put way too big of a cam in an LQ4.
Sucks.
Yeah, we're speaking from experience here, guys. This ain't our first rodeo. Sure as fuck ain't gonna be the last. Had to retard the cam just a little bit. No big deal.
Yeah, just a little bit. Not a lot of nothing. It's not like what it's at is a lot.
Should get like one of them cheap laser engravers, John. Start engraving the front of the cylinder heads. And it says JRRC.
I got a Dremel. I just got the shakiest Parker McFucking Parkinson.
Jam, if you're watching this, don't worry, we're not going to deface your cylinder heads. Just what we need in the mail. A cease and desist from General Motors. You're ruining our product by putting your name on it.
You mean fixing your product?
Like, don't worry, we fixed
it.
it.
Them stupid lifters I've taken out of shit.
What? You mean to tell me that the Chevy DoD design is flawed?
Fucking terrible. That's just for the birds.
It's not great. Jim, actually, if you're listening to this, we'd like you to take some notes, because whatever gas station spice you guys were smoking when you came up with the displacement on demand in some of these motors, I mean, you guys really screwed the pooch on that one. As much as we love LS engines and Chevy products here, Chevy's really good at taking a good thing and fucking it up.
No. All right. Oh, are we already videoing stuff?
Just video everything and then we'll figure it out later. That's how you get the good stuff.
Because if you don't video everything, you miss the stuff.
You miss all the stuff that's cool, exactly.
You're doing double fist speed movement.
It's literally. I think the cheat code to making YouTube videos might be getting a pair of those fucking Meta AI glasses that film through the
Dude,
glasses.
I was looking at those. I was like, dude, I should get a pair of those fuckers.
Russell got a cheap ass Temu pair for like $20.
Why would you not just go to how to get the one for the
You know, it's not the sharpest cookie in the box. How much compression? All the compression.
Some.
Most of it.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a immaculate compression.
We thought 13 to 1 was crazy. This one's 13 and a quarter.
With an LS nut,
Yeah. With the thick boy gasket. Your pistons don't even have domes if you don't have spark plug indents in them. Oh, those LS7 lifters?
They're LS8 lifters.
Oh, LS8 lifters?
Yes.
That's crazy. Those are the super, super long ones, right?
Your regular LS7 lifter can't go these places, so you need the long LS8 lifters.
That makes the most sense.
Actually, I've been pretty fucking surprised with what you can do with LS7 lifters
Yeah, I mean,
without spending $1,000 on a set of Johnson.
yeah, because if you're going to spend $1,000 on lifters, I mean, actually, it's not a horrible plan. Just spend $1,000 on lifters, get the solid
One of the
lifters.
tweak fucking things I do is make sure these oil holes face the front of the motor on both sides. Not that it makes any fucking difference, but
Might not make a difference, but everybody's got their certain little tricks. That's literally
some
the,
OCD bullshit.
that's the whole reason that the lifters are so good.
See, if you don't put the oil hole forward, then they suck.
Yeah, that makes sense.